Okay, now we're going to attach an invisible zipper. Again, I have these two pieces here and I prepared it with an overlock. And we're going to pretend this is the back of a dress. So now we're going to prepare the zipper. You want to open up your zipper and we're going to iron open the zipper teeth. So once you ironed your zipper open, you're going to close it back up, and then good side to good side of your garment, you're going to add your zipper right on top of here like this. So now we're going to pin this down. It's gonna look like this. Now you just want to open it up. You can now sew your zipper down with your zipper foot going along here, and then we're going to stop right here. So I'm going to get close, put my needle down, sew a little bit, do some back tack, and then I'm going to hold my zipper down so it doesn't move on me. And then we want to get really close to this teeth gap here that we have. And I like to hold this part here when I'm working with invisible zippers because it does move around a little bit more. And we want to get really close to this little dent we have here. So this will help you, guide you better. When I get about here, I'm going to sew a little bit more. I'm going to end it with the back tack and then release. So it's going to look like this. This is how your zipper will look when you're done with the stitch. Right at the end of the stitch, I want to mark it so I know that I ended my stitch right here. So I'm going to do a marking straight across here to know that I have to end it on this end right there as well. Once you're done, I'm going to zip my zipper back up, and then I'm going to flip it to its good side. I'm going to grab this piece here, and I'm going to add good side to good side, flip it like so. You can see where you have to pin it and sew it into place. I'm going to add a pin right here so I know that's where I have to sew. So now I'm going to open it back up. I'm going to flip my item, and then I'm going to just continue pinning my zipper all the way down. So I'm going to flip it over. So now you pin this into place, and then we can sew it at the seam here. So I'm going to start at my marking. I'm going to put my foot in, put my needle down, do a few stitches. And I'm getting really close to those teeth, but I'm not sewing the teeth. So once you're done sewing the zipper, you're going to zip it up and it's closed. But now we have this open part here and we have to close the bottom half of the dress. So we're going to put the two good sides together, and we have our seam here. We're going to start up about 1/4 inch higher than where we back tacked. We're going to start at 1/2 inch and then go all the way down to close it. Move my zipper out of the way, and then start up about 1/2 inch from where we back tack. Make sure it's at 1/2 inch. Put your zipper down. And then go all the way down. It's gonna look like this, and then when you open it, you have your invisible zipper here attached to the bottom half of the dress where the seam is. And then this part here, we're gonna add a hook and eye closure to put everything together.